Hi, and welcome to my screencast about the infographic I created, A Salmon's Journey. So I don't have a lot of time, but I'd like to discuss the thought that went into creating this and kind of why I chose the layout that I did. So really quickly, I chose a very bold, catchy title and an intro that was right beneath it that was very short, very sweet, got the point across. I laid out a couple of very solid facts about salmon conservation in the Columbia Basin, and then laid out a concluding statement before putting it above where I got my information for what is posted here. I chose a bar graph to represent the difference that the installation of spillways has done to create an increase in salmon migration. And then I plotted the historic and current salmon migration numbers. In orange, that's the historic salmon migration numbers, which is approximately 16 million. And as of the most recent data, 665,000 salmon returned to the Columbia Basin, which is significantly smaller. And that is why I decided to choose a pie graph like this. I felt like the best way to discuss conservation as a whole would be to show what we have done to this ecosystem and why there is such a need to discuss salmon and how dams play a role in it. So when I put a map in here, it's a very easy, quick visualization of, okay, this is area that used to be accessible to salmon and is no longer accessible. And it shows massive amounts of regions and areas that salmon can't get to anymore. It helps to drive the point home that we are the reason this is happening. More specifically, the dams that we have constructed in this area are. Overall, it has two columns of information, very straightforward, very easy to understand. Thank you for listening to what I have to say about this, and yeah, have a good one.